Hello viewers, if today is your first time of being on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. On today's show or episode, we have a very nice and special recipe for you. Yes, can you continue?
Special, yes, it's special, but not special as in special, okay? But it's special. So we have Kelewele, recipe on Kelewele, a special with Kelewele, right? Yeah, it's Kelewele. So Kelewele, yeah, some people call it Kalawele, but it's Kelewele. Oh. Okay. So we have benefits of Kelewele. We get carbohydrates, potassium, and then protein from the plantain, the right ones. Yeah. So watch us and then enjoy, okay? Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. Please subscribe, okay?
We have right here our red tea, ginger, onion, black negro.
Let's escape. Let's escape. Close through the night, I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways.
Salt and ginger, which is the same as our semi wet ingredient. So as you can see, I'm adding them. I'll mix them together. This is special Kelewele, guys. You don't know how to prepare Kelewele. I'm teaching you now. Just watch carefully.
Special one.
Special Kelewele.
Let's escape. Let's escape. The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the
Blend
then
it.
nutmeg. So you're going to mix it with the plantain, ginger, and onion. Have your oil on fire whilst mixing the plantain together with the nutmeg and the rest, okay? So I have my plantain with everything. And the oil is on fire. Before you fry, you have to test your oil with onions, some onions here. So I've got some onions. I'm going to test my oil. It has to be very hot. You don't kill it with it. The plantain shouldn't, my mom would say, and man, then end no longer. So the plantain shouldn't drink, drink the oil. Yeah.
Desert sky, these open highways are calling our name. And now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.